do not feel very well. Hey, sucker. What did you just call me? Sucker? Your head. That's what you get. How you feeling today, son? Not feeling well. I know. I'll get a glass of water for you, okay? Okay, Dad. Oh, sorry. Here's your glass of water. But it's not. What do you mean? It's not here. Just imagine that's a cup. That's the invisible cup. Just imagine. I'm gonna wait outside. Okay, Dad. I have to drink it. That was good. Hey, Bud. What do you do? How you doing today? Not well, Dale. What do you? Oh, sorry. I have a hiccup. Well, what do you mean? Means I got bitten by a mosquito. Mosquito. Oh, mosquito. Okay. Well, I'll wait outside for you until you feel okay. Okay. Bye, Dale and Hart Jr. Sorry, I have to get a glass of water if I go outside. Well, bye. See you. Hey, are you okay? No. Don't worry. I bought you some flowers. Just imagine there are flowers, okay? Okay. See you tomorrow. Well, no, I'm coming today. Oh, really? Sorry about that. I must give you flowers. Well, I'll see you on the ground. How you feeling today, dude? Not well. You have a hiccup by mosquito? Like that bite? Yeah, mosquito bit my tire. Oh, really? Oh, that's not surprising. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. Well, I'll see you on the ground when you come in, if you feel okay. Thanks. Hey, how you feeling today? Not well. Okay, so, I need press red, but, I bought you some beer, if you want. You'll feel okay. I don't think you'll feel okay. Yes, it will. Okay. Well, just imagine it's a beer. It's a invisible things. So, see you on the ground. Okay, bye, Dad. Bye, friend. Hello. Oh, hello. Who are you? I'm the doctor. Doctor Swedish? Yeah. I'm come to check your pulse. Yeah, that's it. Oh. Oh my goodness, you do have a headache. Yeah, I have. Okay, so, don't worry, we'll be right back. Don't worry, we'll be right back, okay? Bye, doctor. Nice day at the surgery.